This is Pierce, Hawk 1-4. I'm past the tree line. Where is he?
Southwest of your current location, next to a satellite dish. He's positioned at the top of a metal tower there. You got a visual?
For the blood of Costa Centava!
Keep moving, Pierce. Southwest, metal tower. Scan your treetops till you see him. That's a solid DOA there, Pierce. Nice work. Target is behind billboard cover, southeast of your current position. Wait for a visual before opening up or he'll take you down. You got him, Pierce. Well done. Due north. That fire's coming from due north. I got him spotted. He's on top of a parked van. Target's still hot, Pierce. You wait to see if he wants to dance? Target confirmed down. Good shooting, Pierce. They took the memorial, Pierce. You copy? They got the memorial roof. I see at least one. I got your back. Hold the phone for confirmation. Yep, he's down. You gotta move for this one, Pierce. You can't see it from where you are now. Head north of the memorial stairs, past the tree line, and look sharp for an open line of fire.
Costa Centava forever!
You gotta move for this one, Pierce. You can't see it from where you are now. Head north of the memorial stairs, past the tree line, and look sharp for an open line of fire. Pierce, you see that crane at the corner of the memorial? Target's right next to the crane's car. He sees me, but he don't know you're coming yet. Target's still mobile and hostile. Take him down, Pierce. That's a solid DOA there, Pierce. Nice work. Due east, you'll see an LCD screen. He's using it for cover. If he shows his head, take it off for him.
But it took too long. We don't have much time left.
Stick with finding and defusing the bombs. Kill anybody who points a gun at you, but don't go looking for extra trouble. It'll find you on its own, I'm sure.
This area seems to be clear.
Quickly, quickly, secure this area!
This area seems to be clear.
Doyle, I have a situation here. Sealed door, security level A. I need the security code now.
What, there's no doorbell? That wasn't in the brochure. Alright, look. You're gonna need to find the security door control room. You can deactivate the lock mechanism from there.
Alright, I'll radio in when I've found the control room. Doorbell. Nice.
Let American blood run! Cover me! Costa Centava forever! For the blood of Costa Centava!
Doyle, where's my bomb squad?
Waiting for body bags. As soon as they were in, they were hit. You're on your own.
You're dead!
Doyle, I've taken the control room. You need to walk me through deactivating the security locks.
They probably redefined the authorization grid, so you'll need to hack the computer. Think back to basics at JGRTC. Hacking 101, you took it, right? Then open sesame, the door opens.
Shoot him!
Override in place. Doors open. I'm through.
It's over, Dulus! Move! Move! Let American blood run in the streets!